In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download images from Reddit, whether you found a funny meme, a beautiful landscape, or an interesting infographic. Sometimes you just want to save that image to your own device so you can view it later, share it, or use it as a wallpaper. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simplest and most reliable way to do that on a computer. First, open Reddit in your web browser and navigate to the post that contains the image you want to download. Make sure the image has fully loaded on your screen. This helps prevent saving a low quality or partially loaded version. If you're scrolling quickly, give it a second to appear in full resolution. Now, click directly on the image. This step is important because many Reddit posts initially show a slightly compressed preview. By clicking on the image, you usually open it in a larger view, often either in a pop-up overlay or on a separate page. This larger version is typically higher quality and is the one you want to save. Once the image is open and clearly visible, move your mouse cursor anywhere inside the image area and right-click. When you right-click, a small menu will appear. This is your context menu, and it gives you several options for interacting with that image. Take a moment to make sure you actually clicked on the picture itself, not the background around it, so you see the correct options. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Save Image As, or something very similar. This wording may vary slightly depending on your browser, but it will always mention saving the image. Click on that option. As soon as you do, a window will pop up asking where you want to save the file on your computer. Choose a folder where you'll be able to find the image easily later, such as your Downloads folder or a specific Pictures folder. You can also rename the file at this point to something meaningful, so it's easier to recognize in the future. When you're ready, click the Save button in that window. After a moment, the download will complete and the image will be stored on your computer. You can now open it from your chosen folder, share it, or use it however you like, keeping in mind any copyright or usage rules for that image.